then she goes from that very heavy, punchy vocal to whatever she was singing. That is so... Hello everyone, welcome to another video reacting here at Bliss. Today I'm going to be reacting to Sabrina Carpenter's and Christina Aguilera singing What a Girl Wants from the Spotify Anniversary version. I'm a Christina fan. I can't wait.
Giving me time to breathe. Like a rock, you waited so patiently while I got it together, while I figured it out. I only looked but I never touched, 'cause in my heart was a picture of us holding hands, making plans. And it's lucky for me you understand what a girl wants, what a girl needs, whatever makes me happy and set you free. I'm thanking you for knowing exactly what a girl wants, what a girl needs, whatever keeps me in your arms. I'm thanking you for giving it to me.
I really like the nice slides, breathy slides that she did, how soft everything is. I think it's important to sing against Christina Aguilera's vocals is you have to have a seriously contrasting delivery of vocals there, because her voice is very particular, and because they have the same type of the tessitura of it, so the range, and it's harder to do. But she did so well, because I was looking at her, she was analysing every piece of notes, every inch of nothing. That there she was just looking at it. That would make me so nervous.
Now Christina, show us what the girls want. Love you, Sabrina.
There was a time I was blind, I was so confused, ran away just to hide it all from you. Baby, you know me better than I knew myself. They say if you learn something, let it go. If it comes back, it's yours, and that's how you know it's for keeps, yeah, it's for sure. And you're ready, you're willing to give me more than what a girl wants, what a girl needs, makes me happy, set you free. I'm thanking you for knowing exactly what a girl wants, what a...
I mean, she's the queen of... Her belting is so rounded, so beautiful. Her resonance from here is so fantastic. And then she goes from that very heavy, punchy vocal to whatever she was singing. That is so light and so perfectly placed in that head voice. Beautiful. Before I continue, I wanted to remind you that here at Bliss we not only react to amazing singers singing amazing songs, we also teach piano, singing, musical theatre and guitar, and we're offering a free tasting. All you have to do is to pop into our website and select the type of taste that you would like to have, the time and the date that suits you best, and we're going to see you on the other side.
Girl needs whatever keeps me in your arms. I'm thanking you for giving it to me. What a girl, what a guy.
Somebody said to tip crazy, sexy, cool like you.
What a girl,
Oh, yeah.
And we know that we didn't know that she was. Oh, that's so good. Oh, man, she's a queen.
Whatever keeps me in your arms is what I need. Oh, it's what I need. Oh, it's what I want. What I need, what I want. So you, oh, baby, I'm
goodness. It has been such an amazing experience going back and reflecting on the last 25 years. Thank you to the fans. Thank you to my band. Thank you for everyone who is here and had something to do with this. Sabrina, I love you.
What a girl wants, what a girl needs, whatever keeps me in your arms. I'm thanking you for knowing exactly.
Ratings to the backing vocalists. They are, I mean the band in general, they are all top, but the vocalists, they are so amazing. Oh wow. And ratings to Sabrina, she kept a very shy but very confident place next to Christina when she was going up and down and going all this craziness that is just so captivating in terms of attention and everything. Her vocals are just perfect. I mean, Christina, not because I'm a fan, I've always been a fan since I'm very young, but you can listen to her and then her vocals is just perfection. She just goes wherever she wants, how she wants. Her vocal agility is insane. And then Sabrina, she kept a very, very confident place somewhere in a more shy way. And that actually worked so much. Those harmonies at the end were beautiful. So nice. Yes. Going back and reflecting, this is such a mature cover of this song. I used to like it very much, but now I think this soft and intimate and more honest, it makes you reflect more on the lyrics, it makes you appreciate more the vocals, every single note. Oh my god, the vocalists, I can't get over it. They are so good, very good, all of you, every single one of you, beautiful voices. Yes, this was what I was expecting it to be and more. I loved it so much. Let me know if you would like me to react to any of the songs. I am definitely going through this Spotify anniversaries for sure, because I can't miss this. This is my childhood, people. I can't miss everything here. And of course, it's Christina. I'm always there for Christina and her vocals, and I think a few riff tutorials are going to come from this. Let me know what you think about the song. Let me know what you think about this collaboration, and if you'd like me to react to anything specific, and I'm going to be here for you. Have a lovely, 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 lovely day ahead, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye bye.